Types of people in a Jamaican dance. 1, the Rastaman who sell some weed.
I grade. The best one knows, I grade. Legalize it. Tune, Jah Rastafari. Legalize it. I grade.
The youth will dance to every song and a dash them head.
Head, no good. That's your head. Chop off your head. Chop off your head.
The Stush girl, how she reach at the party?
Oh my god, Britney, this party is like so ghetto. I mean, the girls, them just scraping their vaginas on the ground. Like, oh my god.
The old time skanker, aka The Dan, aka Mr. Guafarin, aka I got dance from 1960s, aka.
Meet me at the corner. I'm in the me feeling up.
The man who sell peanut and I make the annoying S sound there. Why?
Nuts, Magnum Rizla peanuts. Nuts, peanuts, Magnum Rizla peanuts.
Bad man who a bill. The man not dance.
Yo, bad man, I want to dance thing, you know. Bad man's a bill.
Last and not least, Miss Talk up in the video light.
Do you hear? How do you? Am I natural hear this? My Indian and my family. But up my 2-week-old twin, them Malik and Khalik. Now them clean, but I sleep, no pimples. How do you, me I go there?
Thanks for watching the extended version of People in Jamaican Dancehall. Please look out for part 2 and give suggestions of who you want to see me cover in my videos. Remember to tag, share, like everything. One love. Yeah man, respect. Raul Guevara.